Okay, let's begin. First, you need to open your Prokon software. Okay, then you come to card deferring. This is where mostly you do your slab design, themes, columns, foundations, and all those. So go to pads. Once it opens, then go to file, then in new. Mostly new, it's when you want to open a new project, but if you had already the existing project, you can go to open, then you transfer it from your previous folders. But for here it's new. Once you open new, there will be a blank page, as you can see. So up here we have various names, that contains various tools which we are going to use to design our project. So the first we have the file. File is where now you can open a new project. You can save your project, you can do whatever, you can transport the WGs and all those. Then we have the edit. We have the entity info. Most entity info is like when you want to highlight. Let's take for example a word here. Let's say word. 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 You press enter. So entity info mostly it comes when maybe you want to change the face word. Maybe you want to name it in a different word. You want to change it. So you come to edit, entity info, then you bring the cursor here. Then you can change and write a different name. Then you press OK. You see? So that's the use of entity info. So another thing we have the extend line. So extend line mostly it's used when you want to extend your line. I think it's self-explanatory. So let's draw our line. So this is our line. So extend line, come here, so you can people to extend your line. You see, that's okay. So next we have so trim. Let's say we have two intersecting lines like this. And then you want to trim this part, so you come to edit, trim. You see, we have trimmed our line. So that's the use of trim. So next we have the move the endpoints, all those copy endpoints. We have the breakpoint line. Okay, I think many things it's mostly self-explanatory. We have the breakpoint line, make point lines, join lines, joining the lines, fillets. It's like you want to make a small curve on two intersecting lines. We have a flat radius, we have chamfer depth, erasing. So these are an erasing the lines or deleting. So next we have the set. This is where you can set your units. Let's say you want to draw your drawing in millimeters. You set in millimeters, then you press OK. Good to go. And then next we have line parameters, where you can do your line setting. Like if you want to draw a solid line, you click here solid, then you click OK, you click here, then you line. You see, this is a solid line. Then if you want to draw dash line, click there, click here. You see, with a dash line. Then next, if you want to hidden lines, click hidden, then you click there, then you click line. There you see, this is a hidden line. So parameters you see, then the cursor, end of the line, it's from your mouse, it feels like it's attracting you. Okay, so if we say we want to magnet cursor, so you bring your cursor, you will feel like it wants to stick on that line. Okay, because it gives you, here's the time when drawing lines, when joining lines. Okay, so next we have auto mode. We have auto angles, paper size. It's when if you want A1 or A2 or A0, A1 or A2 or A3. For example, let me take A1. If you want it to be portrait or landscape, so mostly use the landscape one. Okay, you see, this is our paper size now. This is where we are going to import our drawings, or we can even draw drawings in there when we want to print them. So next we have the attributes. As attributes, you have transport scaling. This is where you want to scale your drawing. Say 100. You press enter. Okay. Novels. So you edit layer tables, one layer, some, and blah, fit drawing on paper. I think this must be, we have talked about them. So we have the line. So underline is where you can draw various types of lines. You have the outer line, you have the box line. And there you see, you draw a box line. Okay, you have the parallel line, those the parameters where you do your surface, line parameters. Okay, so here we have the X horizontal line. These are crosshairs. Okay, these crosshairs are going to assist us when we are drawing our lines, because our lines will be lying on top of those crosshairs. So there are a few drawings that we have uploaded to our YouTube channel. If you watch them, you can see now those things that are used. If it's horizontal, then if it's vertical like this, okay, horizontal again like this, vertical like that. So this are going to help you to do your line work on those posters. Once you're through, you can able to delete them. Okay, so like here, let's draw a line. Line like this, like this, like this, and then just escape. Okay, you see this our line. This is our line. If you want to hide those layers that to remain on with the line works, you click H down here, this H here, they disappear and come back. Okay, but if you want to completely delete them, you just come to edit, then 6 all construction lines. If you press here, they will automatically disappear. You see, like that one. So you will manage here only line works. So next we have the crosshairs. So we have talked about it. Perpendicular construction lines. Those are so explanatory. Okay, all those. Then you come to circle. Circle, yes, you know, it's drawing a circle like this. Okay, 2 point circles. I think it's where you join 2 points to draw a circle. 3 points, you join 3 points to draw a circle, and all those. Text is when you want to name or write a word. You come here to text. But first, before you go to text, ensure that you have to ensure that the parameters are set in order, because sometimes you want to, if you want to name your drawing vertical direction or center direction, you have to come to parameters. So come to parameters. If you want your drawing to name it in vertical, you come here to angle. Obviously here we have the pen size and all those, the height of that word that you want to write. Let's say my height is 5, like that. The angle, let's say we want to name it in vertical direction. You click there, automatically you see it will change there. You click OK. So if you bring your cursor here and write now see like that. Okay, the word. Once you have finished resetting your parameters, you press OK. When you come to text, click here now, then name your drawing. Let's say word. Then you click enter. You see that's been named in vertical direction, but if you want it to name it in horizontal direction, again you come here, you go to parameters, then under angle you change it to 0. You see that's changed to horizontal. You click OK. Then you return your text word, click enter. See, it has been named in horizontal direction. So I think true with text, as you learn as we proceed with various drawings. Come to points, always set the points and all those. Hashing it's when you want to, it's like when you want to shade your drawing. Let's take for example this. If you want to hide this or shade it, you come to here, hash, pour line, click there. So you come to first point, second point, third point, fourth, fifth, then you escape, then you click in here, you see. So if you want to change it to a solid one, come to edit info, then you click inside here. You see we have various types. Now you want it to, let's say we want it to be concrete, or let's say we want it to be brick and mortar, like that. And then you come to scale. We can say, let's say 100. Then angle, let's say angle is 0, let it remain 0. Okay, then you click OK. See, if the scale is high, we can change it to a bit small, let's say 20. Still high, let's say 2. Yeah, you see your brick will be, if you want to change it again, maybe to concrete, click concrete, and then you click over to high, click 0, scale 0, to be a solid concrete, or if you want it to be thin, scale 1. Yeah, there it is. So that's how you hatch. If you want a bit solid, make sure it's 0 or completely shaded. See? So next we come to delete. Delete is when you want to delete this endpoints. Then we have the parameters. So when you want to change the various parameters, or you want to change this and all those. Okay, so we are through with that one. So next we come to par. It's mostly repair. It's mostly, let's say that you are doing a structured drawing, and then you want to reinforce that drawing. Okay, let me delete this extender. My scale here, let me say it's a slab, then scale here 75, so it can be drawn in a good scale. Then you click yes, and you draw a new line, a new slab here. Sorry for confusion. So line, I'm going to show you now we can use a repair line, then box. Let's say this is our slab. Then you come to, you want to offset these lines into 200, the dimension of 4. Come to line, then for line 200, then you click enter, then you scale. You see, that's what I was talking about. If you want to see this 200, click here, click there, down here, 2 points. Yeah, it's 200. Good. Then mostly the inner parts, if mostly this will be taken as wall and beam. So mostly the inner part is supposed to be in Prokon line. Remember, I said if you want to draw one line in Prokon, we come to line, then you use the dash one, then okay, then come to you come to line, then you change your line automatically. Click here, you see that's changed to Prokon. So this is our slab. the beams. These are beams and wall. So if you want to repair this, so at first let me use our cross here, X, then LO 50, then 750, enter. Okay, create line, then Y, then LO 600, again down here, this now line X, you repeat the same procedure. 50, 750. Okay. So to repair your bottom bar, okay, your bottom bar, come to repair, then come to bar. So here we have so many types of bars that you can use depending on your country. But my country will mostly use PS 866205. No, I'm sorry, PS 446 1989. This is mostly what I used to design. So we come to shape code 38. You click that. No, we take shape code 55. Shape code 55, it's when you want your pile to be bent on both sides. But shape code 38, it's when your pile is bent on one side. I think you are getting it. And mostly this one is used for mostly when your slab is continuous, okay, and this one is mostly used when your slab is discontinuous. So let's just take this one since our slab is then shape code 4266. You come to steel type, if it's yielded or rounded one, mostly use yielded according to design. Then the ear, you can change the pulse, diameter pulse. Okay, let's take for example Y16. Here you can name, let's name it 01. Reduce cover here, you untick it. Okay, so you return to your shape code, click here, bring it here, well, like that. See your path. This is how you are supposed to draw it. But if our slab, but most of those things you learn them from our phrase drawings that we have uploaded in our YouTube channel. So because of time, I was just showing you now repair it looks like, or now you can do fan all those. Then dimensioning, so you can do horizontal dimensioning of your drawing, vertical dimensioning of your drawing, skew. This is when the angle, it's a skewed angle. I think it's 60 and all those, it's 60 30. Then you have to block. We come to block here, drawings and all those, blocks here, cards, polygon and all those, macro and all those. So I think on our next part we're going to start from blog, so keep on watching and then remember to subscribe so that you can be able to support us. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye.